for choosing 15-minute cool down workout. I'm assuming that you did a quite challenging aqua workout first, and now you need a little more time to just relax and stretch, and this is exactly what I want to offer to you right now. So guys, let's start bringing the heart rate down. Just move slowly, allowing water to finally carry your body weight. Start curling your heels back, step to the side, heel back, easy and slow. The less tension in your body for the next 15 minutes, the better. This is a part of your routine. This is something you never want to skip, because workout, even the best workout in the world, is a stress to your body. So which is a good stress. It's actually the only good stress. But eventually, you want to give your body a heads up that, hey, I'm done, and now it's time to slow the breathing down. So you guys gonna begin with walking forward and then backwards. But as I said, you are now allowing water to make your walk easier, not harder. You're not pushing through the resistance. You go with the flow. Start moving back. Any arm moves that feel good are great now. This is when your body starts to restore your muscles, all the microfibers that were damaged during a workout, because that's how the magic happens, are now going to heal a little bit. One more time. Take it forward and back. All right. Now we're going to put our heels together, toes out, and we will be squatting down and up, dipping those shoulders in the water. Focus on your breath and make sure it's now very different than what it's been during your routine. It's slower, it's deeper, it's controlled by you, not by the tempo. One more time. Now move your knee forward, maintaining 90-degree point flex. Open it out to the side, come back forward, and drop it down. Knee up, open it out to the side, forward, and down. Let's do it one more time on each side. Switch leg. Good. Now lift up your knee up, slide it open to the side, and now move your leg in and out. Again, allow it to flow like a ribbon. And now we're gonna do one leg chair pose. You're gonna place your heel on your left knee, right heel on the left knee, and you're gonna squat down. Good, great stretch for those glutes and out thighs. Bring it up, take your right leg all the way around, and eventually You're gonna land in a lunge position, bringing your right arm up and over, and then gently bending it to the side. Keep your feet grounded. Good, let's switch leg. It's the same ribbon on your left, moving your knee in and out. Remember, you're not pushing through the resistance. You need to choose the right tempo, just enough to feel your body is relaxing now. And one leg chair pose is next. Place your toes on your knee, squat down. Dip those shoulders in the water again. Bring it up. Circle your leg all the way up and around. Lunge position, reach up and gently bend to the side. Direct your breath to this side of your body now. Good. Now let's move our spine a little bit. Arms open, chest forward, exhale, round it up. The more flexibility you can now find in your spine, in your body, the better. After all, you are so warmed up, right, during your routine. Dancer's pose is the next position. Standing with your feet grounded, curl one leg back, push your pelvic forward. Maybe place your hand on the side of the wall, maybe stand anywhere else in a pool. Now this might be all you need for a good quad stretch, but if you choose to move on, just lean forward and allow your knee to move away. Let's do the same on the other side. Wonderful. For the next set of exercise, I'm gonna get a little bit closer to the side of the pool. This is deep end of my pool, so I won't be able to touch the bottom, but you can do it absolutely anywhere. Place your hands on the side of the wall and then split your legs so your feet create and your legs will create V position. Grab the wall, move your legs up to the surface or a little bit lower. Whatever is more comfortable for you, but make sure you feel that gentle stretch at the back of your legs. You want your torso to be exactly in the middle. Give yourself 30 seconds here and then see if moving up or down makes a little difference. It should feel actually great. Slightly uncomfortable first, but that's how stretch feels like. Now to target those inner thighs, you're gonna split your legs a little bit more and move your shoulders and your torso to one side. leaving one leg straight and the other leg bent. Hold this for 30 seconds. Next, we're gonna switch side. Keep your back straight. Find a good distance for yourself, either farther away or closer to the wall. All right, my friends, for the final few moments, I'd like to invite you next to the wall again. Just this time, you do have to touch the ground. You will be positioning yourself close enough so when you put your foot up against the wall, you can have a good balance and you can kind of easily reach towards your knee. You're gonna pay attention to your leg and you want to make sure it's straight. Do not bend your knee. You don't have to touch your toes or even side of the pool. Just gently support your hands on your knee and hold that balance, hold that stretch. Breathe slowly. Inhale into the nose and exhale out through your mouth. Feel how your body softens. You're gonna very slowly switch side, switch leg, and then hold the same stretch on your other leg. Take one step at a time and remember the best stretch is slightly uncomfortable, but it's also nothing to be forced. You can even place your hands on the back of your thigh and gently massage your leg, kind of assist this muscle relaxation. It's very good for us, especially after you completed a great workout. Also, next to the wall, you can do side bend, standing, your feet hip-width apart, placing one hand on the side of the pool. You're gonna bend in toward the wall, reaching over the head with your other hand. And then of course you did the same on your other side. Remember, you want to avoid compressing your spine at this time. Make it longer, make it stretched. For the final few moves, I'm actually going to jump out of the pool and I'd like to invite you and convince you to do the same thing. Yes, our cool down is not just in the water. Kick your legs a couple times. Kind of say bye-bye to the water environment. Bring your arms up and over on your inhale. Exhale, drop your hands down. Fresh air. Breath in again. On your exhale, drop your arms down and then stretch to your side. As before, guys, it's all about decompressing that spine. Giving those spaces between vertebrae a little more space. Direct your breath to the side of your body that's being stretched. Then go ahead, place one leg over the other one. Sit nice and tall and then gently twist toward the opposite knee. So you're gonna see how your shoulder moves toward the opposite knee now. Just give it a few seconds here. Continue breathing. It's still slow and relaxed. You can cross your hands behind you and then lift up your chin up. Look up on the sky. See what's above you. Good stretch, not only neck but also chest. And then drop your head down. Don't force anything. Just allow your head to be heavy. Uncross your legs and then switch position. We're gonna move on to the same few poses on the other side. Spinal twist. Move those shoulders back and away from your ears. These stretches could also be done on a chair if you choose so. Again, cross your hands behind your back, lift up your chin, look what's above you, and then drop your head down. Let your head to be heavy. You can swing it a little side to side. And guys, final 2 poses. We'll be sitting next to the pool, legs straight. It's okay if they slightly bend as well. On your inhale, rise up your arms, and then exhale, bend forward. No, you don't have to touch your toes. If you can, that's great. But all we need from this particular stretch is to feel again that great hamstring stretch and calves. Just let it be slightly uncomfortable and wait for your body to respond with stretch and relaxation. And our final pose for today, butterfly. You'll be pulling your feet in towards yourself, allowing your knees to open. You can take tiny steps forward with your hands, with your fingertips. Allow your spine to be slightly rounded, but don't compress it. Stay here as long as you want to. This is the last exercise in today's routine. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. It was a pleasure to cool down and relax with you. I will see you next time.